How to make someone a moderator on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can make someone a moderator on your Discord. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first step that you might want to take is open up your Discord. Search for your Discord and open it up. After you open up your Discord, head over to your server. So after you're on your server, tap on your server's name on the top. After you do that, you will need to head over to your server's setting. So tap on the settings and there we are. After you're on your settings, you can see user management. Head over to user management and there you should find roles. Tap on roles, and after you're here you can basically see a mod option there, that is a moderator. Tap on that, and after you're here you can simply choose stuff. Tap on the members option and add a member. So let me just remove this one for now to show you how you can add a member. So tap on add members and choose the person that you want to make a moderator, then tap on add. Now you've basically made that person the moderator of this very server. And it's that simple, and that's how you do it. That's how you make someone a moderator on Discord. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.